Clever ways to find cheap outdoor furniture you'll love. The thrill of it all, you never know what to expect when you walk into a consignment store, antique shop, or a place that sells architectural salvage. Pricing is often at the discretion of the owner or employees. Sometimes they don't know what's valuable or collectible, maintaining the belief that new is better than old. This is when you can swoop in and score a highly collectible mid-century Santorini or Woodard wrought iron chair or dining set. Yard sales are often held on Saturday mornings. If the sale is advertised or signs are posted the night before, diehards often show up early, sometimes before the sellers have awakened or hauled their stuff outside. As with flea markets, collectibles that are good deals will be the first to go, so if you want that wicker porch rocker mentioned in the ad, you'd better arrive first thing. Check for sales, both online and at nearby retail stores, that carry outdoor furnishings as a seasonal item. Target, Walmart, Kmart, Sears, Pier 1 Imports, IKEA, Restoration Hardware, CB2, and Cost Plus are possibilities. Outdoor patio furniture is usually in stores and available online in March, and retailers start reductions on garden furnishings right after the 4th of July, to make room for back-to-school supplies. eBay rattled the livelihoods of antique shops and was one of the online shopping pioneers. Photos, thorough descriptions, and a dealer rating system have taken away most of the concerns for even the biggest skeptics. You can find virtually any type of outdoor furniture, new, old, basic, collectible, for various prices. To avoid shipping fees, do an advanced search and look for auctions in your region. No, it's not a typo. Buying off-season is like purchasing a bikini in below freezing temperatures. It's not unheard of to find heavily discounted piece of outdoor furniture during the holiday shopping season, sometimes tucked somewhere at the back of the store. Is a makeover possible? If it's not beyond repair and hired help is capable of repairing or refurbishing a certain piece of patio furniture, then so can you, if you have the time and willpower. Recycle, reuse, repurpose. They each take time and creativity. You have to approach repurposing with a wide open mind. This old wooden tea crate makes a charming outdoor table. It's a vintage addition to this eclectic grouping that also includes the 1950s wrought iron garden settee and a faux Tuscan planter, rescued as a discard from the backyard of an unoccupied house with a fresh succulent container design. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.